we'll guide you through how to make halftone background in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening Illustrator on your computer. Once the application is open, click the New File button to start a new project. From the available presets, select Web Large so your document uses the appropriate dimensions for this tutorial. After choosing the preset, click Create to open the artboard and prepare your workspace. When the artboard is ready, go to the toolbar and pick the Rectangle tool. Use it to draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard area, making sure no empty space remains around the edges. Next, open the Gradient panel and apply a gradient color to the rectangle. Adjust the gradient style and its intensity according to your preference, since these settings will influence the final appearance of the effect. When the object looks the way you want, move to the menu bar and open the Effect menu. From the list of available options, choose Pixelate and then select Color Halftone. A pop-up panel will appear on the screen. Use this panel to configure the settings for the halftone effect. Set the radius value to 45. After that, set every channel value to 0 so the effect uses the specified configuration. When you have finished entering the settings, click OK to apply them. Your rectangle should now display a halftone pattern. If you want to change the appearance of the dots, you can adjust the effect by resetting the radius value. Keep in mind that the radius setting controls the density of the pattern. Entering a larger number will create fewer dots, while entering a smaller number will create more dots across the shape. This gives you flexibility to fine-tune the visual result based on your design needs. You can also experiment with different gradient styles after the effect has been applied. Changing the gradient can produce a completely different halftone appearance, allowing you to create multiple variations from the same basic technique.